Hey y'all, it's AB, aka Amburr Renae, and I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be showing y'all how I do my box braids with the rubber band method. And again, this is how I do it. If you have another way of doing it, you can keep doing it your way, or you can take some of what I've done in this video and do it how you want to do it. But if y'all like this, if y'all interested, then stay tuned on how I got these medium triangular parted box braids. Okay, so right here I'm just showing y'all how I sectioned off her hair already. Like I said, we did go ahead and do the triangular parts, and I did not record this part because first of all I was recording by myself, y'all probably could tell. And parting, I struggle with parting. Like, parting probably took the longest. And she has some thick hair, so parting took me a while. So that's why I didn't record that part. So right here, I'm just showing y'all I went ahead and parted everything out. Like I said, we did the triangle parts, and now I'm about to get the hair stretched out, pull it apart, stretch it out. So like I said, I was recording this myself, so I did not get a chance to record me actually doing the braids. That's why I'm this far done already, damn near done. But right here I am going to try to show y'all how I start off my box braids. And I ain't gonna lie, right here it was definitely a struggle. I had my son helping me to record, so it was definitely a struggle. Not because he was recording, but I don't know, for some reason when the camera came on, I just got discombobulated, and I really couldn't even grip it how I wanted to, but I got it together. Y'all gonna see. So we just gonna take the hair that's in the ponytail, the section of hair, split it in two. And then we're going to take the braided hair. And I probably should have showed y'all how I got it between my fingers. But let me know if y'all want another tutorial. I'll be more than happy to do it. But I'm trying to show y'all. You're going to split the hair in two. And then you should have 3 pieces in your hand of the hair. So you want to wrap that piece furthest to the right, wrap it all the way around, and attach it to the piece of the natural hair that's on the left side. Like, you got to wrap it around and under, and then the piece of hair that's on the right side, you're gonna take it. Y'all couldn't even really see right there, that was kind of out of focus, but I'm gonna do it again so y'all can get a better look. But you really want to make sure you got a tight grip on there, because I ain't gonna lie, I was excited doing this hair because I had just did some box braids probably like 2 weeks ago. And you kind of learn as you go. And when I did those box braids, that's when I started doing this method. Because sometimes when I did the box braids, like, the rubber bands would still be showing. And I'm like, damn, how the fuck is the rubber band still showing? I'm wrapping the hair around, whatever. But like I said, last time I did the box braids, I figured it out. So I think, I got it together right now. So right now I'm just braiding the hair down. We braided it all the way down to the ends. The hair we're using, I didn't even tell y'all, we used probably about 4 packs of the X-Pression braiding hair. I think it was the 53 inch or 58 inch, something like that. And the color 1B. And we just gonna go ahead and braid that all the way down to the end. Now she's not tall, but she's taller than me, so the 53 inch or whatever it is, it's not that long on her, but it does go right above her, but right above her butt area. So, and I do like this braiding hair because even though it gets, like y'all just saw, it get a little tangled, it's very easy to untangle. Like, whenever somebody asks me what kind of braiding hair to get when they get in braids, I always tell them get Xpression. So I'm just braiding that all the way down to the end. I'm having my son move around so y'all can see, you know, really how long the braids is. And don't mind my table, it's junky back there, but whatever, it is what it is. We looking at the hair. So this is what I'm talking about right here. You see how the braids are more juicy at the top, and then as we gradually get down to the bottom of the braid, it gets slimmer and slimmer. So yeah, it was pre-stretched here already, but you still want to, you know, stretch the hair out, and you know, so you can get that tapered look at the end of the braid. And y'all see my dog back there. That's Buddy. He is such a pest. He probably was all on her. So we just braid now all the way down to the end. Like that. If y'all hear water in the background, my boyfriend back there running the tub for some reason, knowing I'm recording. So right here, I'm just going to try to show y'all again how to, you know, start the braid off. You split the hair in 2 pieces just like that. And, you know, some people split the hair and crisscross it. I don't even know why I just split the hair like that. But we're going to split those 2 pieces of hair right there. And like I said, you kind of just had a hair split in 2, and then you split one side into 2. So you're going to have 3 pieces. So the side that's furthest to the right, you're going to wrap that around, wrap it under the ponytail so it can connect with the natural hair on the left side. And then you why are you looking like that? My bad, y'all. And then you go wrap the hair, like I said, wrap the hair around, and then take it to the left piece of the hair that you split up. And then you're going to take that top piece and put it to the right piece. Then you're just going to continue to braid down. If you know how to do braids, you know how to do braids. This way just works for me. I wish I probably could have showed y'all better, but I'll probably do another video. I bought a tripod today too, but it just was not working out for the home team. I couldn't put the light on there. I don't know. I got it from Target, and I think they fucking cheated me because I looked at my receipt. It said $49.99, and I could have sworn that it said it was $29.99. So I really want to go back to Target and see, because I could have sworn it was a sale sign right there. So we just gonna finish braiding this. This is our last braid. So we're just gonna braid it all the way down to the end. And I love braiding, y'all. Even though it takes a long time sometimes, I like braiding. It's peaceful. So now I'm just showing y'all that we are finally done. And you see the triangular parts. If y'all have any advice on how to better, you know, part, then let me know, because that's something that I struggle with. So, and let me tell y'all a trick. It really don't even matter what y'all hair be looking like. It's just the finishing touches that really, you know, make it do what it do. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe, because I am coming back with more videos shortly. I think my next video is going to be a video of me showing y'all how I retwist dreads. So make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can know when that video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Everything, all the links will be down below.